Sears Sunrise.
Don't worry about the chime, it ain't gonna work.
But it's our favorite chime.
Something sounded different about the door.
Oh my gosh.
Motor's replaced like I told you. Does this still work? I want that.
That bulb?
Yeah, I want the whole piece. Something happened to the door operator. It has never sounded like that. This is not the original interior. If you actually want a piece of it, come here right here. Right, this wood right here, that was the original interior. Or at least the one I grew up with. Oh, by the way, did I mention this elevator has an express zone?
No.
Well, it does. But it only exists when you go down. Take a look.
Whoa. We were just on the 3rd floor for a second.
Alright.
How should we end?
Just ended it too. The only one that lights up. It's gonna open out in the open on two.
Alright.
Only floor the chime works on. I'll bring it in a second for you.
Alright.
It doesn't slam on this floor anymore because of whatever they did to the door operator.